For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an Internet Service Provider, ISP, business can seem like a complex task, especially if you're working with limited capital. However, with the rise of advanced and free AI tools, many steps in the business development process have become faster, cheaper, and more efficient. This guide provides a comprehensive step-by-step approach to launching your own ISP using free AI technologies, covering planning, market analysis, legal compliance, technical setup, marketing, and operations. Step 1. Research and understand the ISP market. Start by learning the basics of how the ISP industry works. Understand the difference between various types of ISPs, such as fixed wireless, fiber, DSL, and satellite. Analyze your local market to identify underserved areas or regions where your service can compete effectively. Use ChatGPT to conduct market research. A helpful prompt would be, ChatGPT, summarize the types of ISPs and explain which ones are most suitable for rural or underserved areas. Also, use tools like Perplexity AI to gather recent data, trends, and insights by searching for current trends in the ISP industry in your country or region. This helps you identify market gaps and opportunities. Step 2. Define your business model and niche. Choose the type of ISP you want to run based on your location, budget, and technical know-how. For example, a fixed wireless ISP may be more cost-effective in rural areas, while fiber optics are ideal for urban setups. Use ChatGPT to refine your business model. Suggested prompt. Create a business model canvas for a fixed wireless ISP targeting rural communities with affordable high-speed internet. If you prefer a more interactive layout, tools like Notion AI or Miro's free templates can help visually map your business structure and customer segments. Step 3. Create a business plan with AI. A solid business plan is essential to attract partners, investors, or funding. This document should include your mission, service offerings, market analysis, organizational structure, marketing strategy, financial projections, and growth plan. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Generate a detailed business plan for a startup ISP company offering wireless internet service in a suburban area. Include budget estimates, operational costs, and projected revenue. To further refine your financials, Google Sheets integrated with Google's free AI formulas can help simulate costs and profits based on your variables. Step 4. Handle licensing, permits, and legal requirements. Starting an ISP requires government authorization. This often includes registering your business entity, obtaining spectrum licenses, if wireless, and getting clearance from telecommunications authorities. Use AI-powered tools like Do Not Pay to help with legal filings or navigate bureaucracy. You can also ask ChatGPT for a customized checklist by prompting, what licenses and permits are required to start an ISP business in your country or state? This will give you a clear roadmap of compliance and legal preparation. Step 5. Design your technical infrastructure. You'll need to plan out how your network will operate. This includes acquiring bandwidth from a Tier 1 provider, setting up backhaul, installing base stations or towers, and ensuring last-mile connectivity to customers. Use ChatGPT to create a list of essential equipment and an architecture overview. Try. List all the equipment needed to start a wireless ISP and provide a simple network diagram showing connections from source to customer. To simulate and visualize your network topology, use free AI network tools like Cisco Packet Tracer for simulations or LibreOffice Draw, open source, for creating diagrams. Step 6. Source affordable equipment and suppliers. Minimize costs by sourcing used or refurbished routers, switches, and antennas. Many suppliers offer bulk discounts or leasing options for startup ISPs. Ask ChatGPT to generate sourcing strategies. Where can I find affordable, reliable equipment for starting a fixed wireless ISP in North America? You can also use Google Bard or Perplexity to locate specific suppliers and compare equipment reviews. Step 7. Build a website and customer portal with AI. A functional website is crucial for marketing and customer service. Use free AI web builders like Wix ADI or Durable AI to create your business website quickly. These tools automatically design and populate content for your site based on your business niche. Generate initial content using ChatGPT with prompts such as, write homepage content for a wireless ISP offering affordable internet in rural areas. Include benefits and a call to action. Also ask, create a sample FAQ section for an ISP website that explains billing, installation, and troubleshooting. If you plan to have a self-service portal, consider open-source solutions like LibreNMS or Integrate Stripe for AI-assisted billing and payments. Step 8. Develop a marketing strategy. Promoting your ISP is key to customer acquisition. Use AI tools like Canva's Magic Write to design promotional materials such as flyers, social media posts, and digital ads. To develop your plan, use ChatGPT with a prompt. Create a digital marketing strategy for a new ISP launching in a small town, including social media, local outreach, and referral programs. You can also ask for a 30-day content calendar or a sample email marketing sequence to stay connected with leads. Step 9. Set up customer support and onboarding. Good customer service is essential for long-term success. Automate support using free AI chatbot tools like Tidio, FreePlan, or ChatGPT integrated with your website. Generate scripts using this prompt. Create a customer support script for common ISP issues, such as slow speed, connection loss, and bill payment problems. For onboarding, use ChatGPT to generate a step-by-step user guide. Write a simple setup guide for new customers installing our ISP router and configuring Wi-Fi at home. Step 10. Launch and monitor your network. After setting up infrastructure and testing your system, begin your soft launch with a small group of users. Monitor network performance using open-source tools like Zabbix or The Dude. Ask ChatGPT for checklists. Create a pre-launch technical checklist for a small ISP network, including testing, user trials, and monitoring. After launch, continuously gather feedback and use AI analytics tools such as Google Analytics for your site and Matimo, open source, to track engagement, user behavior, and conversion rates. Conclusion. Starting an ISP business once required deep technical knowledge and significant capital, but free AI tools now simplify much of the process, from planning and marketing to customer service and system monitoring. By leveraging these technologies strategically, you can build and operate a lean, professional, and scalable ISP that brings value to communities and generates sustainable income. Whether you're targeting a rural area or an urban niche, AI allows you to move faster, smarter, and with greater confidence. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.